Hello guys, today we will know how to delete a WordPress theme step by step. If you've made the decision to get rid of your extra WordPress theme, you've arrived in the right place. So let's get started to the video. Step 1. Go to the WordPress dashboard, then navigate to Appearance, then click Themes Options. Step 2. Locate all of the themes that have been installed on your website. Now look for the theme you want to remove and click on it. Step 3. On the right corner, you'll notice a Delete button. Press the Delete button. It will prompt you to confirm the deletion. Your theme has been successfully removed. You can also do this with the File Manager plugin if you want. To delete a theme from the File Manager, you need to install the plugin first. Step 1. First go to Plugins. Then click on Add New button. Now type Advanced File Manager and search. Install the first one and activate it. Step 2. Now find File Manager area and go to File Manager. Step 3. Now go to WP Content. Then click on Theme Options. You can see all your themes here. Select the theme you want to delete and press the right button. Now press the Delete button. Then, Remove. Finally, your theme is completely deleted. Hope the video will be useful for you. If you find this video useful, then don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe our channel.